Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can insert a YouTube video to your slide in Google Slides. First, you have to select the slide where you want to insert the YouTube video. It is highly recommended to use a slide with dark background, and if you want to make the video to be the main key attention that the audience should look at, then it's highly recommended to just use a blank slide. After that, just go to Insert, click Video, and then here you have two options. You can use YouTube or a video from your Google Drive account. But of course, in this video, we are going to be using some content from YouTube. You can use the search bar to find the channel or the video that you want to put to your Google Slide presentation. So let's say I want to put a video from Kursi Zak, and then it will display some videos that is published by this channel. Let's say I want to put this video and click Insert. After that, the video will be inserted and you will see the video playback here. And of course, you can resize the video area, you can move it here, and automatically this format options will open after you insert the video. But in case if the format options menu doesn't appear, you can click on the video and then click format options. That where you can adjust all settings for this video. You can change when the video should be played, whether it's on click, or you can play it automatically when this slide is open. And also you can make it mute. You can select the exact time that you want to start or end the video. You can change the size, rotation, and also position, and also some effects like drop shadow if you want to. So yeah, I think that's basically it. That's how you can insert a YouTube video to Google Slides. I hope you found this video helpful.